Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 5 best weight distribution hitch that you should buy. Let's get started. First on the list is the EAZ LIFT 48058 Elite Kit. Our first product happens to be from the EAZ LIFT 48058 Elite Kit, which comes with an adjustable shank and ball mount. These two features have proven to offer a smooth towing experience that ensures you won't find yourself in any dangerous situations. I also love this model's maximum tongue weight of 1,000 pounds and its 10,000 pound gross trailer weight rating. Both these figures should mesh well with the 8,000 pound trailer that I intend on towing over the summer. Second on the list is the Pro Series Reese 49903. The Pro Series Reese 49903 Weight Distribution Hitch Kit would be a perfect model for any bargain buyers to consider. In fact, it's one of the least costly models on our entire list, but don't think this low cost hurt its performance. It's actually quite the opposite, as this hitch is routinely praised for its ability to provide a smooth towing experience. This ability comes from it coming with everything a person might need to get one of these devices working. The model even comes with a hitch ball with purchase, which will make this entire process much easier. Third on the list is the Equal-i-zer 4-point sway control hitch. Our next product is the Equal-i-zer 4-point sway control hitch, which will ensure any driving maneuver become much easier when you're towing. This ability comes from its highly advanced 4-point sway control that will make sure you get to where you're going safely. But the sway control feature isn't the only notable aspect offered by this device. I also found its versatility to be an intriguing feature. You see, this hitch is capable of working with many trailers such as RVs, boats, utility, cargo, and even horse trailers. Fourth on the list is the Husky 32218 Centerline TS. If you're looking for an option with a simple and easy install process, the Husky 32218 Centerline TS might be the best option available. This model makes the install much easier by having a lightweight design and adjustable frame brackets. Both these aspects ensure this model's installation will take much less effort than you'd see with other models. In fact, this device's hitch ball comes pre-installed to ensure further installing the hitch won't cause you any issues. Lastly, fifth on the list is the Fastway E2 2-point sway control hitch. The Fastway E2 2-point sway control has become a favorite among buyers recently. This spike of popularity seems to come from the product's 2-point sway control feature. I mean, it's all anyone can talk about within this weight distribution hitch with sway controls reviews. This aspect brings forth such a positive reaction because it can easily prevent trailer sway before it happens. It will ensure both your tow vehicle and trailer stay straight when you're traveling in rough conditions such as high wind areas. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.